You are audible. Welcome to your final mock PI. I hope you work on the feedback that the panelists will give you today, and you do wonders in your final interview tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
So I would introduce you, Abad sir. He is a business head of Pahel Design and also taking he's a management expert in the industry from last more than 12 years. Uh, so we have Purva ma'am also. She'll be joining us in another 1 minute. So she is academic head of Pahel Design and in the industry from last 8 years. She's the design mentor. So they'll be
Okay.
taking
Stage
your
sir,
mock.
can you just put on the camera? I'm here only.
Yes, yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Are you working with the mobile?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So is there auto rotate option available there in the mobile?
No, sir.
Okay, so I mean, can you just sit, relax yourself? I mean, you're holding the mobile.
Sir, could you please repeat? I'm not able to listen.
So what I'm asking is, are you handling this mobile yourself, or you can keep aside there and you can sit and relax?
Sir, actually, I am handling with my hand, sir. But when in my final interview, I will be having my interview with laptop, sir.
All right, very good, very good. So, Abhay, would you like to tell about your background, what course you are going for, and what is the purpose to go?
Sir, my background is, sir, I did my BTech in Carpet and Textile Technology from Indian Institute of Carpet Technology from Uttar Pradesh. And sir, since I have work experience for 1.5 year in two very reputed company, I have worked in carpet company which is OBT as a quality executive, and I have also worked in Trident Group for 1 year as a production manager in territorial department in Budni, Madhya Pradesh. So, sir, I know the basics of manufacturing process, what how the carpet are made and how the towel are made, sir. But I want to learn now. I want to learn about the selling process, how to sell and how to merchandise our product, and how to increase our buy the sales and the profit, and how to increase the international recognition of our products. So that's why I want to learn about from this fields from the MFM course.
Hmm. Uh, don't you think you should go for a master fashion technology instead of fashion management?
Sir, actually, as I have mentioned, sir, I know the manufacturing process. And in the master in fashion technology, they will also teach about the manufacturing process, about the how the products are made, how the textile fabrics and the knitted, all different types of textile fabric are made. But now I want to learn about the how to manage the our product, and how to increase buying, and how to retail our product, merchandise it. So that's why I want to pursue the MFM course.
Right. What kind of courses they are, having the specialization into, and what is you looking for in MFM?
Sir, in FFM, like the student actually goes in deep study of the how to merchandise and increase the retail, and how to make our products more recognized, and make it how to make our product like to like make it as a brand. So we are going in deep depth, very deep study to how to merchandise product, and how to increase our international trade in textile sector. So all these things will be learning in the MFM course. And also, moreover, sir, like the entrepreneurial and as well as the managerial skills will be also learning in the MFM course.
So, can you name any country which is having maximum import of our carpet industry or carpets
Sir, maximum import.
from India?
So the carpets coming into India or export, sir? I'm not listening.
Exports from India, yes.
Export.
Yes.
Sir, the maximum our carpet goes to the European countries where the winter is very high. So in the European countries like UK, England, Germany, France, and many other countries, sir.
Okay, which other places we have in India for this carpet manufacturing?
Sir, there are many places like the Panipat, which is very famous for carpet. Sitapur is in Lucknow, and Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, and Bhadoi. as well as the Jaipur, Rajasthan. These are the very famous areas.
Between all of them,
Yes, sir.
what is the basic difference between all of them? Are they having
Sir,
traditional method?
Sir, actually the more antique pieces, like the very antique pieces, are made in Bhadoi, in the Bhadoi belt, Bhadoi and Mirzapur belt.
Hmm.
So their carpet has got the carpet from here got the geographical indication tag. So they are very famous, and the carpet from this Bhadoi Mirzapur belt are quite popular since the age of Akbar.
Hmm.
So they are very quite antique piece. And talking about the other area carpet like the Panipat, Mirza, and the Jaipur, Sitapur, there also the machine made carpet are also available.
Hmm. Okay, over to you, ma'am.
Hi, Abhay. Can you name the country which is the highest producer of carpets?
Ma'am, in terms of handmade carpet or machine made carpet or overall?
Overall.
Uh, Ma'am, in terms of overall carpet, we can say like the China is the leading producer. However, in terms of man-made carpet, like the handmade carpet, the India is the leader. But in case of machine-made carpet, China is the main leader.
Okay. Abhay, what are the specialization being provided in MFM course?
Ma'am, in terms of specialization, like the marketing, international business, merchandising, buying, e-commerce. These are e-commerce, retail,
How
related with
many
the textile.
specialization MFM provides?
What, ma'am?
How many specialization MFM provides?
Uh,
Degree specialization.
from my point of view, like 4
No, no,
specialization.
no, no. Not from your point of view. I'm asking in MFM course, how many deepening specialization being provided?
Ma'am, in terms of sector wise or like overall?
I'm asking very straight question,
Ma'am,
Abhay.
four
Do you
specialization.
do you know how many specialization being provided in MFM course?
Ma'am, 4 specialization.
Okay. Which one you want to go for? What are the name of the 4 specialization?
Ma'am, marketing, international business, and merchandising and buying.
Are you sure? These are
Uh,
the 4 specialization?
Ma'am, I think the marketing and international business are there, but I'm not sure about other 2.
In how many centers of NIFT MFM course is being provided?
Ma'am, total 17 campus are available, from which 15 provide the MFM.
Okay. Which will be your preferred campus?
Ma'am, I think our capacity to learn is the main priority. So I think I will go from any campus, sir. Any campus, ma'am.
So you're open to all campuses, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So in case you are being selected in like in case you are not being selected in MFM and we give you a chance to go for MF Tech, would you like to take it?
Ma'am, as I have already mentioned that I know the basics of manufacturing process, so I will only go for MFM course.
Okay.
So, ma'am, I
And
will try
if you're
again
not
next.
selected this year, then
And then, ma'am, I will again try next year, ma'am.
and what you will do during this 1 year?
Ma'am, I will do 1 year job and also do the examination preparation for NIFT.
How this COVID-19 pandemic affected textile and apparel industry of India?
Ma'am, approximately 45 million people are involved in textiles and the allied sectors. So most of them are affected very seriously. Like they are not able to get job on proper time, and most of them are on in their home, so they are not able to go to company. So all in terms of all are very affected very seriously. they are not able to get job and they are not able to get salary on proper time, and even most of them are sick and they are infected from coronavirus. So even the company are not allowing them to do job, and around 1 crore job has been lost from this pandemic.
And from which source citing this data?
Ma'am, from one online site.
Name?
Name, ma'am, I think fashion to fiber, fiber to fashion.
Okay, that's it from my side. Over to you, Abad sir, for the feedback.
Right. Okay. Any questions from your side?
Sir, could you please tell me how to express my views more elaborate and more effective?
See, the way you are coming from the background, right? You're doing fantastic. You don't have to explain anything else. The way you're explaining is, I guess, sufficient for everyone. You don't have to explain anything else, right? So don't worry. I mean, you cannot just, I mean, you don't have to try even something which is unusual, right? You're perfect in your own language, right? You look like you're honest to your work, right? Honest to your things. This shows you the way you are expressing yourself. A little bit more smile on your face can help you, right? Instead of, just worrying about how am I speaking, am I be able to, catch up with the other students as well. So that's not actually issue. Issue is like, are you aware of your product knowledge? Are you aware of what course is going on? You're good with your knowledge of your background. You're good with the MFM part is going on, which is actually required some GK portions like how many industrial areas we have in country for this, carpet industry. How many colleges we have in carpet industry. So these are few things which you can add up from your side. The rest of the things are very fine. You don't have to worry about it. From my side, it's overall you are fine with it and you're ready for it. You understood, Abhay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
When even they ask you the question, they'll ask you what is related to you. Ma'am will give you the feedback. You just notice what ma'am is giving the feedback. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Very good. All the best.
Obviously, there is no problem the way you speak, right? The content needs to be there. I will suggest if you get confused, go for point to wise answers, right? Point wise answer. Just articulate in your mind, okay, this is one point I want to mention, second point I want to mention. The question you don't know, just straight say, I don't know, ma'am. If you allow me, I'll try it. Okay?
Okay,
Because I
ma'am.
can see in some of the you have a very good knowledge of your own subject like MF Tech, and sorry, you have done your carpet industry and all, but I felt somewhere you fumbled with the questions which I have asked. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so sometimes you can take 30-second time, think about it. So I also you read who's the world largest exporter of carpet industry, right? When you're saying so much of carpet, you should also know, right? Because you have said internationally you want to recognize this industry, so you should also know a little bit about who's the exporter, who is the largest importer, what's India's rank in it, which are the places India production is there, what is the difference, which Abbas sir asked, the carpet which is produced in Panipat and which is produced in Jaipur, what are the different, what is it known for it, right? So these things you have to think about it. Now talking about the curriculum of MFM, you need to read the brochure. You have a time of one day. Just go through the brochure. You will get all of the thing what you're going to learn over there. What are the deepening specialization is there? What I was asking, there are 3 deepening specialization, not 4. And I'm sure you have not gone through it because that's why you are mentioning the things which are not there, right? So I have asked the deepening specialization about it. So go through the brochure, you get the answer of it,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So I'll just say you're fine with your speaking, you're fine with your communicating ideas. You just need content to, give a base to your answer. For example, when I asked about the textile and apparel industry, you will have tell us what is the GDP contribution of textile and apparel industry. Then, like because it's an unorganized sector, so you should talk in that terms. You can cite a case study of any brand for which their stocks has been not utilized, because of which what happened to the workers and all. So you should have talk about it, right? Because 12 to 15% of our export income is through this industry, right? So you should
Yes, ma'am.
mention these things so that your answer could get a good content and it look impressive as well, right?
Okay,
Rest
ma'am.
are all fine. Rest are all fine. You do well. Just go through these things.
Actually, ma'am, I was knowing about the GDP contribution from
Yeah, so
textile
you should
sector.
have mentioned it. You should have
Yes, ma'am.
mentioned it.
I have forgot to mention, ma'am, like 2% of GDP, like this thing.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, one more question, and I would like to ask, ma'am, and like when this result will come, will be announced about this,
See,
the
right
overall
now
result.
giving the interview, focus on that. I'll say about the result and all, it will be going to come. If you're given the exam, it is going to come. So don't worry about it. It will be going to come in June end or July 1st. Please don't worry about those things. Just focus on your interview, how it goes.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Focus on those parts.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
ऑल द बेस्ट, अच्छे से करना। अब टेंशन
Okay.
मत लेना, बस जो चीज मैम ने बताई, हमने बताया, इसको बस ध्यान में रखना है आपको।
Okay, sir.
आप तभी पढ़ते रहो, थोड़ा बहुत कल तक है आपके पास, यू हैव द टाइम, यू कैन गो थ्रू सम आइडियाज अबाउट इट।
Okay, sir.
रिजल्ट आए 20 दिन में आए, 25 दिन में आए, अगले साल आएगा तो भी आएगा, तुम टेंशन मत लो। रिजल्ट आता है नॉर्मली 25 से 20 दिन में आ जाता है,
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? तो उसकी टेंशन नहीं, बस इसको अच्छा देना, वो आपके ऊपर है। मैं समझ में आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you, sir.
All the best, Abhay. You can
Can
leave
I?
the meeting.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.